Hey guys, John here, Solutions Consultant with VoIP Supply. Today we're going to be unboxing the Plantronics Voyager 6200 UC, a brand new headset in their line that they brand as a lifestyle headset that you can use in the office. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. 6200 comes in this nice travel case. It also comes with a Bluetooth dongle in case the device you're using doesn't have native Bluetooth. $6,200. This is pretty snugly right inside. Nice little area there for it. In addition to these earbuds, it also comes with two other different sizes, small and large. And then for charging purposes, comes with a little cradle that you simply lock in and plug into a wall. So thanks for watching me unbox the Plantronics Voyager 6200, but obviously you're more concerned with what the headset actually does. The headset features four built-in microphones as well as an auto answer and pickup button. It's got a volume control right on the device. It's also super light, so you can use it both at an office or when you're just walking around and you want to listen to tunes. It's got the adjustable earbud sizes in case you need smaller or larger ones, and that just sounds great overall. I use it with customers and they never have any complaints about the sound when I'm talking to them. So definitely recommend you going to VoIPsupply.com, picking one up for yourself, or call me, Jon Garbin, Solution Consultant with VoIP Supply. I'd be happy to help you out. Have a great day.